Dauset Trails Visitor Center near Indian Springs State Park here in Georgia. We're gonna go see some animals today and see what else can offer this place. Yeah. Animal Trails farm animals, reptiles located in Wonder Room. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do today. Gonna check with the visitor center and see if I have to pay any entrance fee. Alright, let's continue. Alright, let's try to do the reptiles first. A lot of squirrels around. Oh yeah, I see some coyotes over there. Moving around the enclosure. Let's see if we can see some reptiles. Oh, look at that! Never seen those in here. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. It's like a Concord type of squirrel. There you go. That was cool. Never seen those before in this part of the country. There's some turtles. So you can see them there. There you go. There's an American alligator there as well. Let's see if I can show you. There it is. Taking a lamp bath. More turtle here. Also taking a bath there. Pretty chill down here. That's really cool. Let me set them up again. Sorry about that. There you go. Let's see here. Okay, so what a variety of animals here. Cannot see anything. They're sleeping. Oh, there's one here. Let's say the name of that snake over there. Oh, there's another one here. The more time you stay here, you can see them. And that is a rat snake, non-venomous. It's a black rat snake. Is venomous. This is skin from red and yellow will kill a fellow. Okay. It's right there, sitting between the logs. It's a coral snake or nobody's there. It's a corn snake, non-venomous. Again, cannot see anything there. There's a variety of skulls. There's nothing in there. Oh, there's the southern copperhead over there. And that one is a corn snake, non-venomous. It's right there. See a section of her, or him. Nothing is in there. And this one again is the timber rattlesnake, which is venomous. And I see the skin over there. There's the cottonmouth. That's again the rattlesnake, black rattlesnake. So we just left the wonder room, the reptile room, what do you call it? And now we're back outside. We're gonna do the animal trail, crossing this bridge over here. There's some areas for resting, talking with people more privately. Very nice. The look of the lake, little lake or pond here. It's more turtles down here. Like a turtle? Yeah, that's a turtle right there. Man, I love turtles. Alright. More people coming in, so it's gonna stay caught up for a little bit. I'll be back. So, box turtle and gopher tortoise enclosure. Let's go sleeping, I guess. Oh, there's one over there. Hold on. You see it? Yes, you see it. There's a box turtle over there. Well camouflaged under that bush. The few little turtles are hidden. It's very attentive, even though it's still early in the day. It's a great horned owl. It's okay, friend. How you doing? Doing good, friend? How's everyone treating you? Great horned owl. Oh, there's a bobcat. It's prancing around his enclosure. Yeah, you let them be. So Lynx rufus, that's his scientific name, aka bobcat. The bobcats are named after their short tails, are nocturnal, so solitary. They catch rabbits, birds, rodents, but also can catch wild-tailed deer. So probably young white-tailed deer. They make a mean noise when they are in the period of reproduction. Alright, so raccoons. You always see them raccoons. There you go. They're very interesting creatures. They're infamous because sometimes they eat from trash. Let's call it trash panda for a reason. It's very common. They eat pretty much anything they can catch with their hands. There's a red fox over there. He's sneaking their head around. Oh, what a wonderful, handsome fella you are. A beautiful lady if you're a female. It's a red fox. Most of Canada, United States, is nocturnal, shy. It feeds off anything. Berries, acorns, apples, cherries, grapes, crickets, caterpillars, beetles, mice, squirrels, rabbits, and birds are calling out to Steve easy chicken. They love chicken. 4 to 8 kids are born between March and May. Mother's Danish dog. Okay. There you go. Thank you for your time. Thank you for posing for the camera. I appreciate it. Alright. Let's keep going. Alright, the barn owl. Tío alba. That's the scientific name. That looks like you see the movie Labyrinth from the 1980s. I look like the same owl that the Goblin King turns. Yeah, the barn owl. There's that one's white. I haven't seen any white owls. There's another one inside the nest over there. There's a nest. There it is. You see it? Yeah. Nice. Appreciate it, guys. Just keep sleeping. Enjoy the cool weather. See some bird calls. That's not a bird, that's a chipmunk over there. He's making a noise. I don't know what he's doing that noise for. Do you guys know? Let me know in the comments. Okay, that's the gray fox. It ranges most of the United States. There he is. You see the camera can focus on him instead of the freaking... Can you focus, please? Can you focus? There he is. There he is. She's sleeping. Gray fox, Washington State is in the northwest. Gray fox are nocturnal. They are the only member of the canyon family clam trees. During the winter, they den in rock piles, small caves, and hollow logs and trees. The forest is mostly salt and pepper in appearance. Gray fox prefer thick, wooded habitats. They eat of mice, birds, insects, fruit, and berries. Rest easy, little fella. Thank you for your time. That's an opossum.
Oh, look at that. That's a little hat.
See if I can find.
Look at that. Isn't
My
that
mom
fun?
went to the hunting property with my dad maybe a month ago and found these really cool looking little green sea pod things.
Some most of the United States.
Do I have the acorn? Oh, just a little piece in there. Okay. All right, here we
This
go.
is station 2 years 12 to 14 days. Size of a jelly bean. 13 young at once. They're nocturnal. They have 50 sharp teeth and chew mostly carrion but insects. There's missiles, pet food. Their lifespan 2 to 4 years in the wild.
There's a tree at my dad's hunting property that drops these and they're like big. It's like I don't know what they are, but I had to have them. I'm like, that's not landing in the sky.
I see a bison. It said there can be a new animal. I see the bison. Wait, where? Huh? Here, let me.
See the turkeys or the vultures?
Are you tired? They're dead. Big oh my goodness, look at that one. It's like,
They're covered down on the
are they dead? Daddy, these are wild turkeys.
Take a look at that. There's a marmot mice in here, a groundhog. And it's chilling over there. What's going on? What a fine gentleman you have there. Or lady. It's not a lady. Are you a male or female? No way to tell. They have their own mansion. Look at that. Better lie than me. Okay, what are you eating? What are you eating? Can I have some marmot? Mr. or Mrs. Marmot? It's also very patriotic. Marmot has their own flag on down there. Enjoy your meal. Have a nice day. I forgot to talk a little bit about the groundhog. So the Canada northeast US down to the upper Piedmont region of Georgia. The groundhog, also known as woodchuck and whistlepig, is the largest rodent in the Sciuridae family, consisting of large ground squirrels known as marmots. The name woodchuck was derived from Native American word woodchuck. One of the cleanest animals, they burrow the woodlands in pastures, constructing a main entrance, look up posts, a tree chamber, and nesting and clean sleeping chambers They are true hibernators and eat large amounts of vegetation and crops to double their weight before winter arrives. Their burrows provide shelter to other animals. A tradition has it in February too that if the groundhog emerges from its burrow and sees its shadow, it will be frightened and scamper back inside, resulting in 6 more weeks of winter. Cool. That's the history. That's Phil the Poncho Tony Phil. Or at least one of his many cousins. Alright, let's keep going. Thank you, Mr. Groundhog. I will call you Mr. Groundhog. You don't mind, right? Alright, let's continue. Red-tailed hawk, North America. There it is, right there. Known for rusty red tail feathers, these common birds of prey hunt in open fields, pastures, grassy area along highways and interstates. They can be seen perched on power lines and zooming across roads. Nicknamed chicken hawk, this diurnal daytime predator catches rodents, skunk, rabbit, snakes, and chickens. There's another one over there. I guess it's a couple. I'm not sure. I hope they kind of have a chance to get a bigger place to move their wings. But hopefully they're working on it. Alright. Nice to talk with you guys. I appreciate your time posing for me and hear my voice. Have a good one. The very symbol of America, the bald eagle. Alaska, south half of Canada, United States, northern Mexico. This magnificent bird of prey is the symbol of the United States. The bald eagle remains protected but was removed from the endangered species list in 2007. Bald eagles mate for their life and build large nests 6 feet across. Bald eagles live near large lakes and rivers. They catch fish for the water with their hook like talons, take fish caught in air spray, or feed or dead fish washed by land. They also catch ducks, rabbits, and muskrats. There it is. Symbol of America. The bald eagle. Alright, let's keep going. I saw some animals I want to show you next. So we have the American black bear. That's the next animal in our list. Let me show you. There's a couple down there. So a little bit of our friend here, if he doesn't move too much or the camera does focus on him a little bit, kind of expect him to tell him to stay still, or she to stay still. It's very chunky actually. There you go. There you go. That works better. The black bear is a medium-sized bear weighing from 130 to 350 pounds. This woodland mammal is omnivorous, but mostly eat fruit, berries, and nuts. They breed in the summer and deliver 1 to 3 pups in the winter, depending on fall's food supply. Black bears have an acute sense of smell and usually live 20 to 25 years. I heard that the bears have better sense of smell than a regular dog. That's what made them so formidable in the wild. They're very chunky too, well fed. Alright, let's keep going. Let's show you a little bit of their enclosure, how it looks. They have a ball to play, some water to stay cool when the days are hot. A nice view from this pond here. Alright guys, enjoy your stay here and appreciate your time for posing for the camera. Let's keep going. That's the barred owl. It looks like the North America to Honduras, so it's a very large habitat area. Grayish brown feathers with a strip of barring pattern of the chest. They are found in the river woodlands and nest in tree cavities, or abandoned hawk nests. Barred owls catch rodents, rabbits, quails, songbirds, and sometimes fish. Their hooting can call as the barking of a dog or monkey with a cadence of who cooks for you, who cooks for you all. So there it is. Very large owl actually. There's two more over there on top of this enclosure. There you go. Alright, let's keep going. Thank you for posing for me, guys. That's this constricted owl. It's over there. It's hidden. Very tiny. It's the tiniest of the owls I have seen so far. The screech owl are the smallest of the eastern owls. Their plumage is either rusty brown or gray. They have two calls, a series of quavering whistles, descending in pitch in a long single pitch thrill. They live in woodlots, forests, swamps, orchards, and parks. They nest in tree cavities and lay up to 7 eggs at a time. They eat mice, frogs, lizards, and insects. Alright. Thank you. This is the famous coyote. They are running around like there's no tomorrow. Very anxious. So long ago the coyote probably lived in the plains and desert regions. Now they have adapted to forests, mountains, and even cities. The clever canine has a sharp sense of smell and vision. They can run up to 40 miles per hour and catch deer, rabbit, rodents, fish, frogs, snakes, and insects. Coyotes also have grass and fruit, especially watermelon. They catch cows, lambs, and other farm animals. They gather in packs in the fall and winter to effect hunting. Coyotes are also known for their howling calls at night, but coyote parents raise and protect their young. Alright. That's the river otter here. The range is North America. Let me see if I can take a look at that. There you go. It's right there. Cool. The river otter, these long, slender mammals, have dense, waterproof fur, 150,000 hairs per square inch, that allow them to swim all year. River otter have web feet for superb swimming and enjoy playing in the water. They are fresh. Their freshwater cousins is the sea otter. River otters live along streams and live along streams and dig holes in banks and dens and line the bottom with stick grass and leaves. They also do that on lakes. Their diet is mainly fish, but also includes rodents. What a handsome fella you are. Thank you for posing for me. I can stay here and watch him all day. Him or her, I don't know. I'm still calling everybody him, but probably are girls, most of them. Alright, let's keep going. Let's see,